Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to earn real cryptocurrency with a Bitcoin miner game. Bitcoin Miner is an idle tycoon game that simulates mining Bitcoin and allows users to earn small amounts of real Bitcoin, known as satoshis. Firstly, download Bitcoin Miner based on your device. And once installed, open the app to begin your mining journey. Before you can start playing, you'll be prompted to accept the terms of service. This is a standard requirement and includes user policies, gameplay terms, and age restrictions. To play Bitcoin Miner, you must be at least 18 years old. The app restricts access to users under 17 due to legal and financial aspects. Now, after the setup, tap the pickaxe on your screen repeatedly to mine coins. These coins are your in-game currency used for upgrades. The more you tap, the more coins you earn. As you progress, you'll unlock features that allow automatic mining. Use the coins you've earned to purchase miners or upgrades. You'll unlock new types of coins and levels as you keep upgrading. Head to the Development tab where you can enhance multiple aspects of your mining operation like pickaxe strength, mining speed, coin multiplier, new coins. These upgrades help you progress faster and earn more. In the Chest tab, you can open daily or time chests, get boosters, free coins, and even rare items. Watch ads for bonus chests. These rewards accelerate your gameplay significantly. Also, there is a daily drop feature where you check in every day and get free rewards like bonus coins, boosters, or premium miners. To withdraw your Bitcoin rewards, you need a ZBD Lightning wallet. It's the official wallet supported by the game. Go to zbd.gg, sign up and create a free wallet. Then go back to the Bitcoin Miner app and head to the Withdraw or Wallet section. Log in with your ZBD account under the app and grant authorization to connect your ZBD wallet with the game. Once it is connected, you can start withdrawing real satoshis. The minimum withdrawal is 500 sats. Withdrawals are made through the Lightning Network and payouts go directly to your ZBD wallet, which you can later transfer to another wallet or exchange. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.